welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be removing gel nails safely. For this you will need a 100% acetone, a buffing block, a cuticle pusher, a 100 by 180 grit file, 10 pieces of cotton wool and 10 pieces of foil. So you're going to start by taking the file, the rough side, and you're going to buff the surface of the nail to take off the shine, and this will help the acetone to penetrate through and soak off the nail. You're going to repeat that for all 10 nails. And you're going to take your acetone and apply that to the cotton wool. You need quite a lot, you want it saturated. And then apply that to the gel polish and cover with the foil. This will stop the acetone from drying out and also speeds up the soak off process because it holds in the heat. And you're going to continue that for all 10 nails again. Once they're all on, you want to leave that to soak for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you want to remove each foil one at a time. Take your cuticle pusher and just all of the gel that's lifted, just remove that off of the nail plate. You don't want to put too much pressure on because you don't want to damage the nail, so be patient. If it doesn't want to all come off, we can always soak it off for a little bit longer. If there's some left on there, just pop the foil back on. Mine tend to take a bit longer anyway because I have a layer of builder gel underneath. So there's that extra thick layer to get through as well. If you've just got normal gel polish on, then you might not need to do the second step. Okay, so we've left those for another 5 minutes. And as you can see, apart from that stubborn little bit, they're all soaked off nicely now. Just removing the last bit with the cuticle pusher again. And then just rubbing over gently with the buffing block. Get rid of any little bits that are left over and just to smooth that nail nicely. And again, you want to repeat that for all 10 nails. Okay, once that's all off and they're looking clean and tidy, no damage to the nail at all. If it's done correctly, you just want to apply some cuticle oil just to replace that moisture that's been lost by the acetone. Just pop it around the cuticles. And just massage that in. Go over the nail as well and the skin around the nail. And there we are, nice healthy nails. Thanks for watching. See you later.